You're watching this video right now. Congratulations. You're alive, blessed, and have the power to change your life. Think about that for a moment. Complaining won't change your situation because, let's face it, no one cares. The big investments, money market accounts, HYCA, bonds, and CDs, the smart alternative to savings accounts. Why you need to think beyond a regular savings account. Most people leave their money in a regular savings account, thinking it's the safest place to grow their wealth. But the reality is, savings accounts offer low interest rates, barely keeping up with inflation. If you want your money to work for you, you need to explore better alternatives like money market accounts, MMA, high-yield checking accounts, HYCA, bonds and certificates of deposit CDs. This course will break down each option, explain why they are superior to regular savings, and show how you can start investing wisely today. The power of money market accounts, MMA. What is a money market account? A money market account, MMA, is a hybrid between a savings and checking account. It offers higher interest rates than a regular savings account, limited check writing ability and debit card access, FDIC insurance, making it a low-risk investment. Why choose an MMA over a savings account? Better interest rates, earn more on your money, more flexibility, can write checks and withdraw funds. Low risk, your money is safe. How to get started with an MMA. Choose a bank or credit union with competitive rates. Compare minimum balance requirements. Some require $1,000 plus. Open an account and start depositing money. Example: if you put $10,000 in an MMA earning 3%, you'll earn $300 per year. Way better than the $10 you'd get in a typical savings account. High-yield checking accounts, HYCA, a hidden gem for smart investors. What is an HYCA? A high-yield checking account, HYCA, functions like a regular checking account, but offers higher interest rates if you meet certain conditions, like setting up direct deposit or making a number of transactions per month. Why choose an HYCA? Higher interest rates than regular savings. Liquidity, easy access to your money. No penalties for withdrawals. How to get started with an HYCA. Look for banks offering 2 to 4% interest on checking accounts. Meet the bank's requirements. X. Maintain a balance or use a debit card often. Deposit your money and start earning. Example: if you put $5,000 in an HYCA earning 4% interest, you could earn $200 annually, while a normal checking account would give you $0. Bonds, the safe and steady investment for long-term growth. What are bonds? A bond is like a loan you give to the government or a corporation. They pay you interest over time and return your money when the bond matures. Types of bonds. Government bonds, treasuries, backed by the U.S. government, super safe. Municipal bonds, issued by states, cities, often tax-free. Corporate bonds, issued by companies, offering higher returns but more risk. Why choose bonds over a savings account? Higher interest rates. Government bonds currently offer 4 to 5%. Lower risk than stocks. Predictable income. You know exactly how much you'll earn. How to get started with bonds. Buy through Treasury Direct for government bonds or brokerage accounts. Choose bond duration. Short term equals 1 year. Long-term equals 10 plus years. Hold your bond until maturity to get full returns. Example, if you invest $10,000 in a treasury bond, paying 5%, you'll earn $500 per year, far better than a savings account. Certificates of deposit, CDs, the no-risk investment option. What are CDs? A certificate of deposit, CD, is a fixed-term investment where you lock in your money for a set period, 3 months to 5 years, and earn guaranteed interest. Why choose a CD over a savings account? Higher interest rates, up to 5%. Zero risk. Your money is FDIC insured. Guaranteed returns, no stock market risk. How to get started with CDs. Find a bank offering high CD rates. Choose a term length. Short-term equals 6 months. Long-term equals 5 years. Deposit your money and wait for it to mature. Example, if you put $10,000 into a 3-year CD, paying 4.5%, you'll earn $450 per year with zero risk. Which investment is right for you? Investment type interest rate liquidity. Risk level best for money market account, MMA, 2 to 4%. High, low, short-term savings, high yield checking account, HYCA, 2 to 4%. Very high, low, everyday spending with interest. Bonds, 3 to 5%. Medium, very low. Long-term, stable income. CDs, certificates of deposit, 4 to 5%. Low, locked in. Very low. Risk-free, long-term savings. Final takeaways. If you need liquidity, choose MMA or high CA. If you want steady, safe returns, choose bonds. If you want the highest risk-free returns, choose CDs. Final thoughts and action plan. Stop letting your money sit in low-interest savings accounts. Pick an option that fits your needs and start today. The sooner you invest, the more wealth you'll build over time. Ready to start investing? Choose one of these smarter options today and make your money work for you. Money. Until next time, stay blessed, stay driven, and always mind your business.